Z-score is a very important idea in statistics. So what does it tell you? The Z-score tells how many standard deviations a value is above or below the mean. A positive Z-score, the value is above the mean. A negative Z-score, the value is below the mean. A Z-score of 0, the value equals the mean. Recall that if we are taking a sample of the entire population, we use English letters, and the mean is X bar, the standard deviation is S. If we're collecting information from the entire population, we use Greek letters, the mean is mu, and the standard deviation is lowercase sigma. So the formula that give the Z-score are, for a sample, x equals x minus x bar over S. The numerator, x minus x bar, tells you how far you are away from the mean. Dividing by the standard deviation tells you how many standard deviations you are away from the mean. Similarly, z is x minus mu over sigma if you have information of the entire population. For the following table, let's use x bar is 80 and s is equal to 10. I'll give one value in each row, and then you might want to pause and use it as a little quiz to see if you can see what the other value is in that row. When your score is 90, then your z-score is 1. When your z-score is minus 1, then your score is 70. It's because you're one standard deviation below the mean of 80. When your score is 80, then your z-score is 0. You equal the mean. When your score is 100, then your z-score is plus 2 because you're 2 standard deviations above the mean. When your z-score is 0.5, then your score is 85. You're a half a standard deviation above the mean. When your score is 65, then your z-score is minus 1.5. When your z-score is minus 3, then your score is 50. You're 3 standard deviations below the mean. When your score is 95, then your z-score is 1.5. You're 1.5 standard deviations above the mean. And finally, when your score is 75, then your z-score is minus 0.5. This gives you an introduction to the very important idea of z-score.